Huh? Kids in Africa are starving. Also, people in Africa. Bro, telling you. Also, kids in Africa. In Africa, we don't got water. Also, people in Africa. It's crazy.
No, 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 no.
It is small people.
God have mercy upon us. God have mercy upon us.
Wait, but how did he make that stick though? But how did he make that stick though? That thing is sticked up, bro. He didn't even touch his head, bro. What's up? Idiots. Snappity. Don't eat that, bro. Bro, that thing is stinking, bro. Like, nah, nobody's business, bro. Oh, that thing is stinking like nobody's business, bro. How did he do that?